Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. This week we are making Japanese cheesecake, also called souffle cheesecake or cloud cheesecake. So starting off, we're going to be using the stand mixer, and we're going to whip up some egg whites and go from there. So yeah, that's it. That's all I got for an intro. There's no intro. I did get to get a new pan. I'm out of parchment paper, so typically you would line it with parchment paper, but I've just buttered the hell out of it, so. We're gonna see if that works. Blah. Oh look, foam. Boop. Is it allowed to float? This is gonna go in the oven for an hour and 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna toothpick it. If it comes out clean, we're gonna leave it in for another 10 to 15 minutes to get the top browned. And then we're gonna cool it in the oven for another hour. So we're gonna cut the oven off, open the door a few inches, and just let it cool for an hour. And then we're gonna unpan it, and we'll see how that goes. So I will see you guys in a couple of hours probably. Look at her, she's so pretty. The top got a little funky. That's okay. She is beautiful. Oh no. Holy crap. All right. Oh, it's very soft. So sadly, cannot try it yet. I'm gonna need to put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours, but I'm gonna brush the top of it with some honey first. Never let me be mistaken for a patient woman. I am not. I'm not at all. at all. The cheesecake is finally done, chilling in the fridge. So I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna slice it and we're gonna try it. I'm really excited. This one might have turned out great. It's just so light. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Like, I was a little worried that it'd be very eggy because of how many eggs are in it. It's so good. It's so light. Like, cheesecake has a tendency to be super heavy and just, well, I mean, delicious, but like, well. Find out what we're making next week. Oh shit. Norway. Brunpiner. I have no idea what it is. I don't know how to pronounce it either. I was just trying to be a smartass. Pew! This week, definitely 10 out of 10. Would make this again, for sure. And you can add different toppings and stuff on it. You can, you know, obviously any of the normal stuff that you would put with cheesecake, like some strawberries or some cherries or any manner of fruit and chocolate sauce or caramel or literally whatever. But yeah, definitely recommend this one. Make it if you want cheesecake and you want something a little lighter than regular American cheesecake. Where is cheesecake from? And next week we're doing Norway. I will figure out exactly what that is. And yeah, I'll see you next Tuesday.